for those of you who do like loud noises, once we do this, I will do it again, and I'll do it with the door open so you can hear it loud if you like it loud like I do. Okay, this is a Chevy 305. We got this from Advance. It was an ATK reman engine, nothing fancy, stock. It's just a plain 305. Basically, we're getting 305 foot-pounds of torque with right around 230, 235 horsepower. This is what they call a water brake. It uses water to put a load on the engine so that we can measure the torque and we can measure the horsepower. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start it. I'll start accelerating. The computer will take over. Then I'll launch it, it'll do a run, and then I'll just back out of it and we'll see what it does. So that time we got 302 feet-pounds of torque and 234 horsepower. This doesn't have a high rev line, right? It's somewhere around 46, 45. It's hitting its maximum horsepower. Originally, we had no idea what we were going to shoot for. We had, I know the dyno can do 3,500 horsepower, but I had no idea what I was going to shoot for. I figured maybe 500, 600 horsepower. And the president came through and gave me a target. He said nothing over 1,000 horsepower. I got a target. Might be a while before we get there, but I got a target. Yeah. President of the college. Okay, I'll do another one. You guys want? If you come in, come. You know, you want to. You want to run it? No? Okay. I tried. We're gonna change it. That kid's never going to college. I'm sorry. Scared the college right out of that boy. And I got news for you. I'm liking it more and more because I was having a voltage problem. And it starts breaking up right at its power point. I'm like, what is going on? And it's because I wasn't getting a strong voltage at the distributor, and the distributor started to break up. That time, once again, see, it's right around 300 feet-pounds of torque. We got 302 and 233 horsepower. So it's a pretty consistent engine.
Want me to open the door?
Go right ahead. Now, if you don't like loud noises, I want to say this would be the time to leave the room. For those of you that are hard of hearing like me and like loud noises, okay, it's going to get loud. How loud? Just a wee bit. You all right, Matt? Matt, you don't want to go in there, do you?
You want me to walk you in there?
Okay. Okay, here we go. That time we got 303 torque and 234 horsepower. And two scared kids who won't be going to college. I'm sorry.